Welcome back. In this video, we'll go through MCFGB, Individual Bene 5.4, Youth Leader Stipends, found in rows 26 to 29 of your GB Partner Budget template. This section details the monthly financial support provided to youth leaders, or YLs, as they carry out community activities. Start by locating Event 5.4, Youth Leader Stipends in your sheet. At the top of this section, you'll see the header row, where the key data cells are bolded in gray, specifically D26, E26, and F26. These gray bold cells are reference data, meaning you shouldn't edit them. Now, look at cell D26. It shows 30, which represents the number of youth leaders that will be contracted out of 40 YLs that will be trained. It serves as your ceiling. You can plan for up to 30 youth leaders, but not beyond that. Next, look at cell H26, where you'll see 46,800 USD. That's the total cost ceiling for this event. This means your total stipend budget for all youth leaders combined must not exceed $46,800. You'll distribute this total across the 6 months contractual period and units according to your plan, but always stay within this limit. Now let's review the notes in this section. They provide crucial context for your calculation. You'll see it written as average 260 USD per youth leader per month, times 6 months, times 30 YLs. NB. This is not a salary. This means each youth leader is budgeted to receive an average monthly stipend equivalent to $260 for a 6-month period, and this applies to 30 youth leaders in total. It's important to emphasize, this is not a salary, it's a stipend, a temporary financial support that recognizes their time and effort during project implementation. Partners must not treat or report it as an employment payment. Now, under this event, you'll see 2 line items, each representing a different type of support. 1. Communication/data allowance. This line covers internet or mobile data expenses that allow youth leaders to stay in touch with peers, mentors, and DOT during implementation. The unit type is youth leaders. In number of units, cell D27, you'll see 30, matching your total YLs. In the unit cost, local currency column, enter the monthly communication allowance per youth leader in your local currency, equivalent to $40 per month. Then, in the frequency column, enter the number of months this will be paid, typically 6 months. The template will automatically calculate the total cost. Local currency. 2. Stipend, inclusive of transport and withholding tax. This line covers the main monthly stipend for each youth leader, which already includes their local transport allowance and applicable taxes. Together, these 2 lines, the communication/data allowance and the stipend, inclusive of transport and with tax, make up the total youth leader stipend package for the period. When added together, they should align with the ceiling of $46,800 US shown in cell H26. Next, move to the monthly breakdown columns on the right-hand side. Since these stipends are paid monthly, you'll enter the total cost for each month during which youth leaders are active. For example, April through September. Each month's entry should include both sub-items together. When you sum up all the months, the total must equal the ceiling for this event. That's it. You've now completed Event 5.4, Youth Leader Stipends, covering the stipend budget for up to 30 youth leaders over a 6-month period. In the next video, we'll move on to Youth Leader Employment Linkage Events,